Turn on or off automated messages on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use automated messages on Facebook app easy and quick. First then go to your Facebook. Click on it and here click on those three lines and click on your page, which is now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on messaging. Now all you need to do is you have automated messages. Now just click on to turn off or on one of those options, greeting message or away message, to welcome new customer automatically or just reply automatically when you are away. And this is it, easy and quick. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.